Today I would like to talk about page 17. You look to page 17. It is about the mixed operation of direct numbers. The rules is the same as the mixed operation of the numbers you calculate in your primary school, 四則運算, okay? So the rules is that if you see black cat and then you calculate the black cat first, then followed by multiplication and division. Finally is the addition and subtraction. 即係有括號就計括號先，然後咧就係先乘除後加減。Let's look at question 1A. Okay, the meaning is talking about that -4 plus something plus +5 times -6 here. So the first part you need to calculate is the multiplication. So +5 times -6, you got -30 正負得負啦，5乘6就30 -30. So later on, -4 plus -30. Here you combine these two sides, 正負得負. So become -4 minus 30. So the final answer is -34. 1B, the concept is the same, so you can try it and then check the answer of 1B. I give you, you can stop the video and then do 1B or check the answer of 1B. I want to talk about question 2. Question 2 actually 2A and 2B. It is a fraction, right? So it is a big fraction. The numerator and the denominator, you will have more than one number, okay? So look at 2A first. 2A, the numerator 分子啦, you will have -5 minus +16. If you want to express the fraction into the division side, okay, you need to write it in this way. You need to add the bracket for the numerator, because if the numerator more than one number, you need to treat the whole numerator, okay, treat the numerator as a whole, okay. You need to calculate the numerator part first, then followed by divided by -3. So you must add the bracket for it. So I add the square bracket for it, okay. 即係話咧個分子佢多過一個數嘅時候，我哋就一定要加個括號俾佢，因為佢係作為一個整體嚟嘅。我哋要成個分子去睇去計咗之後咧，先再去除以-3嘅。Okay, so I only want to talk about the meaning for you. How can I change the fraction? Use the division sign. But for your steps, you can keeping the answer as the fraction. So here, you combine this one. Minus are positive. That means -16 here. So you need to calculate the numerator separately by its own. Okay, so -5 minus 16 is -21. Then -21 divided by -3, so you got +7 here, or you just write down 7. Okay, but remember, if I change to this format, the numerator you must add the bracket because you need to treat it as a whole thing. 2B is the same, so you can stop the video and try it by your own. The next questions I want to talk about is question 4B. Question 4B here. Okay, question 4B. And then question 4B. Okay. Maybe the question you may think about that it is a little bit strange, right? So -8 minus, okay, you got 3 brackets there, -2, -3, and -5. Okay. I told you before the multiplication sign you can skip it, right? So here, okay, here means -2 times 3 times -5. So you need to add the bracket for each numbers. Otherwise, if you don't need to add the bracket, okay, it becomes like this. And then actually the meaning is totally different. The meaning is that for this one is -23 minus 5. Okay, but if you add the bracket for the numbers individually, okay, it means, okay, multiplication. That means, okay, this one. So you need to calculate the multiplication part first. So negative 2 times 3, you can do it one by one. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, right? So negative 6 times negative 5 again, 4 4 10. So become positive 30. That means only write down 30. So the next steps is that negative 8. Okay, this part you just copy it. Negative 8, and then minus sign, you just copy it. Then this part you calculate. The answer is 30. So minus 30. So negative 8 minus 30 again. So the answer is negative